Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn literals in C# with examples. If you are learning C# basic, then this topic is very important because literal are the actual value that we assign to the variables. So by the end of this video, you will clearly understand what literals are, different type of literals in C#, and how to use them with real example. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand what a literal is. Literal means fixed value that is written directly in a code. This value do not change at the runtime. For example, here int is a data type, number is a variable, and 10 is a literal. So 10 is a literal value. Type of literals. In C#, literal are divided into 6 types. The first type is integer literals. Integer literals are whole number without any decimal points. Here 10, -25 and 0 are integer literals. C# also support integer literal in different number system. This is the base 10 or decimal. This is the binary or base 2. For binary, we start with 0b. This is hexadecimal or base 16. For this, we start with 0x. All of these are integer literal, just written in different format. This is the output. Next we have floating point literals. Floating point literals are number with decimal points like 99.99, 10.5. By default, decimal value are treated as double. For float, we must use f. It can be capital F or the small f. Here 99.99 and 10.5 are floating point literals. Let's see the output. The character literal represent a single character and are written inside a single quote. Here A and hashtag are character literals. Character literal represent a single character and are written inside a single quote. Here A and hashtag are character literals. C# also support escape character like /n/t, and these are also character literals. Here you can see the output. String literal represent a sequence of character and are written inside a double quotes. Here Nauraj and welcome to the C# programming are string literals. To avoid escape character, we can also use @ and when we use @, it is called verbatim string literals. And this is the output. Boolean literals have only two possible values, true or false. Here true and false are Boolean literals. This is the output. The null literal represents no value. Here null means variable does not refer to any object. Null is mainly used with reference type. It indicates absence of value, not zero. Let's quickly summarize. Literal are fixed value written in the code. They represent actual data. Common type of literal in C# are integer, floating point, character, string, boolean, null. Understanding a literal help you write clean code, understand variable assignment, avoid type related errors. That's it for this video on literal in C# with example. If you found this video helpful, like this video, comment if you have any question. Subscribe for more C# beginner tutorials. In the next video, we will learn typecasting in C#. Thank you for watching and happy coding.